Hey guys, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from Device Bar. In this video, we have the Balzano Nutri blender. This is a high-speed mixer grinder with 1200 watts. I got this from Amazon during a lightning deal. I'll share the product link in the description. I guess they have two color options. This is the black color model. In the silver color model, this one will be black and this one will be silver. I love this design. It looks minimal overall and it should be around 3 kg. Before we get into this, I saw a lot of negative and mixed reviews for this model, especially on Amazon. I saw some positive reviews too, but overall most were negative. Balzano doesn't have that much of active presence online as well. I was very skeptical, but on Instagram I saw some friends using this. I asked them about this and they said it was worth trying, and here we are. I have been using this product for like almost more than a month. I'll share my full review here. Okay, so here is the box. They have the model number here and some other valuable information. History of Balzano. And inside the box we have this user manual, which is very important. I'll take a photo of this and share it on the screen for you. And we also have this recipe book with some interesting, cool ideas for smoothies. And they also have two papers for warranty information. You can take a photo of this and keep it with you. This is the motor base and this is the blade base. They use stainless steel blades, 6 blades. We also have 3 different plastic containers. They are BPA and lead free. The smallest one is around 350 ml. The middle one is around 600 ml and the large one is around 700 ml. You can see the max indication here. You can fill it up to that for smooth blending. They also have 2 lids. One is a sealable storage lid and the other one is a drinking lid. I personally love this. It is very strong. Let's talk about the main machine now. They have overheating and overload protection for this. They use a durable copper motor. They have 3 buttons here. I'm not sure if it is visible on the camera now, but it turns red when you click on them when it is connected to the power. The first one is on off button and the second one is blend button and the third one is pulse button. These are the 3 buttons on this device. When you press the on button, it will function for 1 minute with the high speed mode. When you press the blend button, it will function for 1 minute with the combination of full speed and half speed. It will slow down a bit and then it becomes fast and vice versa. When you press the pulse button, it will function as long as you keep pressing the button. This will be really helpful when you are cooking something in the kitchen. Please make sure you take some time off when you notice it's hot. Now let's take this product in action. Now I am going to make banana milkshake or smoothie. First we have to take our desired container and we have to pour the liquid first. I added some milk, some banana pieces, some almonds, and finally some ice cubes. That's all. Make sure you fill it up to the max level and you just have to take the blade base and that's all. Now you have to keep it like this and interlock with it. Just double check this and after it is set, you just have to click the on button. You can see the red color here. You can listen to the sound right now. You can see how it works. I think it will take around 1 minute. I'll fast forward this video. Okay, that's all. We use the high speed mode to make this. Just have to do it like this. Take it off. It's properly blended now. Now I'm going to use something harder. I'm going to use some carrot. I'm going to make carrot juice. I'm going to use this small container. Water first. Some carrots. And 3 small pieces of ginger. Some ice cream. Okay, now I'll also show you how the blend option works. If you start in high speed and then go to off speed, something like this. And if you press the pulse button, it will be like this. That's all. As you can see, it did a great job. It is very good. I use this blender for a lot of things. Even my wife used it for making light food for a baby, and we had no issues so far. Regardless of the negative reviews, the product is working well so far. But if the product is malfunctioning in the future, I'll definitely update a comment here. Please subscribe for future updates. I'll share the pros and cons of this model now. I'll share the pros first. For 1200 watts, this is a bit budget friendly. You can check Amazon or Tata websites for a good deal. And second one is, I love this minimal design, very simple to use, just very plain to use. And 3, they provide this drinking lid. I'm not sure if others do this, but this one is really helpful to take your drink out and go out somewhere like your gym. So talking about the cons, the first one is the sound of this motor is very high because of high watt power, but personally I don't mind this noise. Second one is, when I received this model, the paint on the buttons were somewhat bad, so I used a black marker to fix it. So these are 2 things. That's all so far, but as I said before, I'll share some updates in the comments in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe if this video is helpful. Do let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a great day. Thank you.